Welcome to the Paradigm Cooling YouTube channel, your trusted source for all things air conditioning and refrigeration. In today's video, we'll show you how to operate the infrared remote controller for the sleek and powerful LG Artcool air conditioning system. Let's dive in and make climate control effortless. First, let's get familiar with the remote controller. It features several key buttons. The power button to turn the unit on or off. A AT mode selector for switching between cooling, heating, dehumidifying, or fan-only modes. Temperature controls to set your ideal comfort level, and options for adjusting fan speed, airflow direction, and activating special features like timers or sleep mode. Pretty straightforward, right? Let's see how to use these features step by step. Step 1. Turn on the air conditioner. Simply press the power button. Make sure the unit is plugged in and ready to go. Next, select the desired mode. Use the mode button to choose from cooling, heating, dehumidifying, or fan-only operation. Each mode is clearly displayed on the remote screen. Step 3. Set your preferred temperature. Use the up and down arrows to find that sweet spot, typically between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Customize the fan speed. Whether you prefer a gentle breeze or powerful airflow, there's an option for you. You can even select auto and let the system adjust for you. Step 5. Control the airflow direction. Use the swing button to adjust the louvers, directing air exactly where you need it. Finally, don't forget the special features. Set a timer to control how long the air conditioner runs, or activate sleep mode for optimal comfort throughout the night. There's even an energy-saving mode to reduce power consumption while keeping you cool. Now, if your remote isn't working, don't worry. First, check and replace the batteries. Ensure nothing is blocking the infrared signal. And if you've misplaced your remote, consider using LG's smartphone app for compatible models, or grab a universal remote as a backup. Want to get the most out of your LG Artcool air conditioner? Here are a few tips. Keep windows and doors closed while the unit is running. Clean the filters regularly to maintain performance. And always use energy-saving features to lower your utility bills. And there you have it, everything you need to operate your LG Artcool remote controller with ease. For more tips, tricks, and expert advice, subscribe to the Paradigm Cooling channel and hit the notification bell.